Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PNC credit card through mobile wallet. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate your PNC credit card through a mobile wallet, begin by ensuring your credit card is physically present. Next, open the mobile wallet app on your smartphone. If you're using Apple Pay, tap on the plus icon to add a new card. For Google Pay, select Add a Card from the main screen. In both apps, choose the option to add a credit card. Carefully enter your PNC credit card number as prompted. Input your card's expiration date and security code. Next, enter any additional personal information required by the app. After entering your details, review the information for accuracy. Then, tap on the Next or Save button to proceed. The app may prompt you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions for identity verification. This may include sending a verification code to your mobile number or email. Once verified, your PNC credit card will be added to your mobile wallet. You may receive a confirmation message indicating the card is successfully activated. Finally, you are ready to make purchases using your mobile wallet with your PNC credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.